Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Neon CRM for Nonprofits. Review my usage experience. Neon CRM for Nonprofits. Review my usage experience offers a cloud-based customer relationship management (CRM) system specifically designed for nonprofit organizations. It helps manage donor relationships, track donations, and streamline communications. Key features include contact management, donation tracking, and reporting tools. Their website provides details on their various pricing plans and features. Neon CRM positions itself as an easy-to-use solution with transparent pricing, focusing on helping nonprofits manage their relationships effectively. They highlight their intuitive interface and robust reporting capabilities. Availability is generally through their website. You can check their site for more details on specific features and plans. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Neon CRM. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The onboarding process was well documented, and I was able to import my existing contact list without any major issues. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I quickly grasped the essentials, like adding new contacts, logging donations, and generating reports. For example, creating a customized report on donor contributions by campaign was incredibly straightforward. The system performed reliably throughout my testing period. I didn't encounter any significant slowdowns or glitches. I had a quick question about customizing email templates, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, providing clear instructions. I was really impressed by how visually appealing and organized the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to easily segment my donors based on giving history and engagement level. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which would make data entry on the go more convenient. It also took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings related to automated workflows, but the documentation was helpful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Neon CRM. It generally met my needs and streamlined several aspects of managing our organization's relationships with donors. That's my overview of Neon CRM for Nonprofits. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.